floral fragrance blend, infused with essential oils from jasmine, rose, and lavender. This body wash and lotion duo delivers a delicate, long-lasting floral scent that lingers all day. Hydrating formula. Both the body wash and lotion are enriched with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter and aloe vera to keep your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated while you enjoy the floral scent. Gentle cleansing. The body wash gently cleanses the skin without stripping its natural oils, leaving you feeling refreshed and smelling like a fresh bouquet. Nourishing ingredients. Ingredients like vitamin E and coconut oil in the lotion nourish your skin while locking in moisture, giving you a radiant, healthy glow. Natural fragrance oils, made from 100% natural flower extracts like lily, peony, and hibiscus. The floral fragrance is pure and free from synthetic chemicals, giving you a true-to-nature scent. Long-lasting scent. The combination of body wash and lotion creates a layered effect, ensuring the floral scent stays with you throughout the day. Relaxing aromatherapy. The floral fragrance doubles as aromatherapy, helping to reduce stress and uplift your mood while you bathe and moisturize. Perfect for sensitive skin. Both products are free from harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens, making them ideal for sensitive skin types. Quick absorbing lotion. The lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, allowing you to dress immediately while still enjoying the floral scent. Enhances natural skin radiance. Along with hydration, the lotion enhances the skin's natural glow, leaving you looking and feeling radiant. All-day freshness. Even after a long day, the floral scent remains, giving you a continuous feeling of freshness and elegance. Suitable for all seasons, whether it's spring, summer, or winter. The light floral fragrance of the body wash and lotion works beautifully for any season. Eco-friendly packaging. Packaged in recyclable bottles. Both the body wash and lotion are environmentally friendly. Perfect for eco-conscious beauty lovers. Perfect for layering scents. Use the body wash, lotion, and your favorite floral perfume for a sophisticated, layered fragrance experience. Luxury spa experience at home. Using this body wash and lotion feels like treating yourself to a spa day at home, with the luxurious floral scent adding a touch of elegance to your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.